Hello everyone. I am Amara, your host. Welcome to today's new podcast show. Looking for the right garage door repair service in Lorton to avoid injuries? Contact the experts of Adams Garage Doors LLC. It is a highly rated full-service garage door repair and spring replacement company in Lorton. They have more than 40 years of combined experience in repairing and replacing garage door springs. Their highly trained and experienced experts provide the highest quality garage door-related services. Plus, they can offer you affordable repair and replacement services without compromising service quality. Want to know more? Just take a look at adamsgaragedoorsllc.com. Or, you can directly call Adams Garage Doors LLC at 703-623-6766 to hire their experts. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I will come back with more new topics, so stay tuned.